First of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is New Perspective. The course name is New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 5 End of Module Project 2. And the name of this assignment is City of Bradford Pools, generating reports from multiple workbooks. So this is our assignment. This is same course. Before starting this assignment, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grade for you. I can help you out in all the other courses of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, the SAM project, my IT lab, my Math lab, my Stat lab, Economics lab, and other assignments too, and also SimNet assignments too. Uh, let's start this assignment. Getting started. It is saying open the file npexp19 eom end of module 5 underscore 2 first last name underscore 1 xls available on. So this file is available on same website. You have to download it and save it by replacing 1 with 2. So this is 1 is at the end, so here I am going to change 1 with 2. So 1 is changed. Here you can see npexp19 end of module chapter 5 project 2. So this name is changed. Next it is saying to complete the same project you will also to need the files. So these are the two files that you will also need, and I have already downloaded it, and if you didn't download, then you can download it from website. It is saying to complete SAM projects you will also need to download and save the following files from the SAM website on your computer. It is next it is saying with the files npexp open, as this open, and here let me make sure, let's update, and here should be a student name will be here. So here will be name of your student. Next, if there is there is no your name on the documentation file in cell B6, then you have to download it again. Next, let's start this assignment step by step, and this assignment is consist of almost 12 points. So here I am going to do some part of this assignment, and if you want me to do rest of this assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It's saying Incor Vecro is a city planner for a city of Bradford in North Colorado. The recreation department is studying whether to open another pool in the city and need an overview of pool expenses. Incora is using Excel workbook with multiple worksheets to summarize 4 years of these expenses. He asked for your help in completing the expenses information. Switch to Carlos Spring worksheet. So here this is Carvela Spring worksheet, and next it is saying break the external links workbook, so the formula and the range are replaced with static values. So here as you can see there are links, so he wants just to replace these links. So as you can see these are the links, so these values are replaced with the static value. For this you will go to data, and here is the workbook links. Either you can use this or we will go to workbook links, and next here we will select break all and we will select break links. As you can see that the break links have been done. Now you can see this is the value 100 is displaying, but lastly you have seen that they are showing the showing the location of the file from which they have been used. Next we will move to step number 2. So this is our step number 2. In step number 2 is saying inquiry wants to apply consistent formatting to the worksheet he collected from separate worksheet group. The Carola, Galway Park and Newton OK worksheet together in the grouped worksheet. Change the font size of the merged range B2 to G2 to 18 points. Bold the values in the range B6 to B9. Resize the width of column C to G2 bar. Do not ungroup the worksheet. So what is this? This is saying we have to change the formatting. Basically, by using grouping we will apply the formatting in one sheet, and this whole formatting will be applied to the all these sheet. So here it is saying group the, so for this group we will select all these three files. You just click on it, press Ctrl key and select them. Now as you can see these are white, so this is showing they are grouped now. Next it is saying in grouping B6 to G6 to so this is B2 to G2 city of Bradford, and we have changed it to 18 points. In the home tab here you can see it's 12 points. On the fonts on home tab we will change it to 18. Next it is saying bold the values in the range B6 to B9. So here we will select from B6 to B9 and we have to bold it. For this we will go to home tab and here is the option of B, so these values are bold now. Next it is saying resize the width of C to G to 12. So here we will select from B to G, and then on the home tab we will go to format and here we will select column width, and we have to change the width to what, how many points? It is saying 12 points. Hopefully you have understand all the things. I have described them and done them one by one. Next we will move to step number 3. In step number 3, but before starting step number 3, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. Next it is saying with the worksheet still group, change the text in B2 to read as Bradford Pools. So here we have to change it to city of Bradford Pools. So here at the end we have to type pools. So this is our this is what we have to change, or you can just manually remove all this text and enter it. Next it is saying in cell B9 change the text other to supplies. So this is B9, we have changed it to supplies and press enter. So this is changed now. Next it is saying do not ungroup the worksheet, so make sure these three are still grouped. Next it is saying with the worksheet still grouped, enter a formula in C10. So here this is C10. What formula we have to enter? Summing the totals of for 2018. Copy the formula to the range B10 to F10, ungroup the worksheet and then click confirm formatting. Step 3. So here we have to type equal sign SUM sum. This file first will appear and then you will select from B6 to B9, C6 to C9. So you can do this, or either you can just click in cell B10 and on the home tab you will go to editing and here you will click sum and this will sum. Now you have to copy this from D10 to F10, so this will be copied only. So this is our step number 4. So I have completed this step 4 steps for you, but before starting step number 5, I am professional. If you want me to do this course or do any other courses, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address. Next, it is saying Inquire wants to create a copy of the formatting Newton Oak worksheet to use the expenses data of a pool on the outskirts of Bradford, which city might incorporate in their recreation department. Create a copy of Newton Oak worksheet between the Newton Oak worksheet and the combined expenses, and then change the worksheet name to Westover. For the copied worksheet, edit the text Westover in the merge range. Text Westover in the B3 to G3. Clear the content in the range C6 to F9. So here now we have to ungroup them. So here I will just right click on it, left click on right click on it and select ungroup. So this is they are ungrouped now, and now it is saying create a copy of Newton Oak worksheet. So here I will select this and select move or copy. So here I will select Newton Oak and click copy. And next it is saying so we have to move this sheet between. You have to just select it and drag it, so this arrow displays a little arrow sign displays between Newton Oak and combined, so this will be here. And next it is saying Westover. So here we have to rename it. Let me right click on it and select rename. So here I will select Westover. So this is changed. Next it is saying what it is saying. It is saying next instruction, edit the text to read in B3 to G3. So this is as you can see it is Newton Oak, but we have to change it to West over. So this has been changed now. Next it is saying clear the content in the range C6 to F9. So here we will select from C6 to F9 and I will select press delete key. So the content has been deleted. So I have completed 5 steps. Next we will move to step number 6. It is saying switch to combined expenses worksheet. Inquires wants to combine the expenses data from the different from each of the current city pools in cell B6. Enter a formula without using function that reference to the cell B6 whatever. Copy the formula from B6 to B9. So here combine worksheet. So here this is B6. We have to copy the content. Next enter a formula. So here we will equal sign, enter a formula to copy from what's Westover worksheet. I will select B6. Just make sure you will type this formula equal sign Westover, or you can select this sheet and then explanation marks and press B6. Now you have to copy this formula from B7 to B9. So this is done without copying. So this is done now. So I have completed 6 steps for you. Half of this assignment is solved. Next, if you want me to solve this complete assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.